beautiful cruise ship I've been on in a long time. It doesn't even feel like a cruise ship. It feels like a resort.
The Aqua is beautiful. I love it. There's so much to do for everyone of every age. I'm so excited. Just hope I can't get over how beautiful.
The Aqua is beautiful. It's very modern. There's something for everybody on this ship.
And I can't wait to like share with my future clients that are going to be booking it, and yeah, and the rooms were beautiful and